You're watching the firearmschannel.com.
All right, what we have here is our Omega suppressor. This is what we're launching this year at SHOT Show. And one thing we did about the Omega is we took a combination of several of our cans and we integrated the anchor brake, titanium, and stellite into a 13-ounce can that's hearing safe, rated all the way up to 300 Win Mag. And we can run this can on anything from a 300 Win Mag all the way down to 22 250, 22 Hornet. So it's a very versatile can. It comes with a device, a muzzle device like a muzzle brake. So you can either get that in 30 cal or 223, and you can either do the quick on and off, or you can do a direct red model. It's our quietest can to date. Right now with 300 blackout subsonic, we're running about 119 decibels. So if you want me to, I'll run a couple through it, then we can move over there and take a look at the shotgun. That was a 12 gauge shotgun. As you can see, I'm not wearing hearing protection. This is our Salvo 12. It comes, when you buy it, it comes in this 12-inch configuration. And what's cool about this is it's modular. You can buy a rod kit for it and either make it 10, 8, or 6 inches long, depending on what you're going to use it for, what your application is. I personally use an 8-inch model for hunting. It's a little bit easier to maneuver around in a duck blind. So that's the size that I personally like using for my own personal use. It came about by being, my boss was in a duck blind and he goes, "Wow, that's a really loud shotgun." So he started thinking about ways to make a shotgun suppressor, and here we are today shooting it for you. We launched this back in August, and there's been a lot of anticipation for it here at SHOT Show. It's a lot of fun to shoot. Again, reduces recoil, reduces noise at the shooter's ear. You can hunt, you can shoot recreationally without having to wear your pro.
You're watching the firearmschannel.com.